Tonight, the moon is shifting into a sign of imagination and spiritual vision, bringing subtle waves of insight to every zodiac sign. Whether you're dreaming of a new job, a new love, or a new self, the stars are offering you a preview. Gemini, your mind will receive new codes. Sagittarius, your purpose will clarify itself in silence. Aquarius, your future community will reveal its contours. There's magic in this lunar phase, not flashy, but quiet and real. So look for the signs, the phrase that repeats, the coincidence you shrug off, the strong feeling that this is your moment. If you feel that pull, tap the heart. Comment, "I see my future." Follow for weekly astro updates. And if you want an astrology reading that crystal clears what those lunar whispers mean for you, check my bio.